Ciao world, this video is about the MCP49 series of digital to analog converter by Microchip, and this is a driver implementation for AVR ATmega. In this example I run this on a ATmega 8 running at 8 MHz with internal crystal oscillator. This chip is the MCP4922, and it is driven using the SPI interface. The ATmega 8 has an internal control register dedicated to the SPI, so it is pretty simple to run this IC. You can run multiple IC depending on the channel selector of each of any IC. The MCP49 family is composed by the 01, 02, 11, 12, 21 and 22. Depending on the final number, you can have 1 or 2 channel output, 8, 10 or 12-bit buffered voltage output. This EC is now driven with almost 5 volt voltage. I take directly from the USB, and in this example I'm running a simple sine wave, you can see there, but I also have another example to get the voltage output of this IC. I upload this to the ATmega. I am uploading it right now, and as you can see now I have a voltage output. That voltage output I can read here. You cannot read always because the chip goes in shutdown mode, but let's see, you can read almost 0.8 voltage here, and also I have it output there on the UART. I can stop it, and we can read that the voltage that we want is 0.8. This is the voltage reference of the DAC, and we get 0.78 volt. This is the raw value, and the voltage read on shutdown after the wake up of the IC. And that's almost all.